You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly, the singular and the plural. You would definitely want to differentiate and pronounce those correctly. By the way, if you want to learn more correct pronunciation, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you coming up. Disease. That's the singular. I have a disease. Disease. Stress on the Z syllable, and yes, it's a Z sound at the end. Disease. The plural, if there are different types of diseases. Disease. Again, you have a Z sound, disease. You just add a Z at the end. Stress on the Z syllable again. So, one disease, like flu, is one disease, and several, like 10 different diseases. Diseases. Can you hear the pronunciation? Can you make the pronunciation? Can you pronounce those correctly? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.